In this guide, I'm going to show you the two best ways that you can get durable cloth here in Arc Raiders. Before you do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, by far the easiest way is going to be at your workshop. So go to the main menu and then go up to the workshop up at the very top. And from here, you're going to want to hit this little plus icon and then go ahead and craft yourself the refiner. You're going to need to craft this. It costs 60 metal parts and 5 arc power cells. And from here, you just got to select that refiner and then you can go ahead and craft durable cloth directly on this for about 14 fabric. So if you're plenty, this is by far the fastest method. Another way is actually through the map directly. If you open it up and go to a specific area, for example, Buried City, right? If you hit inspect, you're going to want to look for areas that have like this little medical symbol on it. It's that symbol that kind of looks like a plus, and there is a ton of them here in Buried City. For example, you got Piazza right here, you got the research area up here, the hospital up here as well. Check these kind of areas with this little plus icon, and it doesn't just have to be on Buried City. You could really go anywhere as long as it has this little medical symbol on it. But you have a very high chance of getting this here, especially because it is a fairly common item, so you can really find it anywhere. But obviously these spots are the most reliable. But yeah, that is it. Check these areas or craft it at your refiner to get it extremely quickly. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.